Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another April 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy box unboxing. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did this. I accidentally signed up for a duplicate membership, I guess. So basically when Ipsy and Boxycharm merged, I didn't even think about the fact that my Boxycharm membership was actually under a different email than my Ipsy membership. So when they all transferred over, I thought they all just transferred over together because I was so confused and I had no idea what was going on. But it turns out I actually had two different Ipsy accounts set up now. One, my regular Ipsy account that I'd always used, and then another under my Boxycharm. So my Boxycharm had been signed up for the Boxycharm Plus Boost, which I will say my other Boxycharm box that I got this month did not have a Boost product, and it should have because I got Boxycharm Premium, but it was under a different email, a different membership. So I also got signed up for two icon boxes, but thank goodness I caught that in time because that would have been a very expensive mistake. So I think I've got it all figured out now. The Ipsy support was actually really good. So now I should be set up to just get the Ipsy Glam Bag, the Boxycharm with Boost, and the icon box. Those are all of them, right? Why does it have to be so confusing? Maybe it's just me. But so already up here on my YouTube channel is my April 2023 Boxycharm by Ipsy box unboxing. But I've got another one, so let's go ahead and get into this one. This one does have that Boost product, and let's see how it compares to my other one. It's also interesting how much faster my regular Boxycharm without the Boxycharm Boost got delivered to my house. But okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Okay, so we've got the same newspaper-ish thing, of course. And all right, so first I've got from Basic Beauty setting powder. All right, I'm pretty happy to get this. I like trying out setting powders, and I have not tried out very much from Basic Beauty. Ooh, nice packaging here. Ooh, it's like a little messy, not totally sealed completely. Okay, decent enough first product that I feel like follows my preferences. Next, I've got, from JLo Beauty, that Fresh Take eye cream. From what I was hearing, I think this is the Boost product. It looks like all scratched up and old, and doesn't necessarily seem properly sealed, but there's no way for me to really know. So that's a little, oh gosh, that's a little weird. Interesting packaging for an eye cream. I'm making a mess with it. Like, it's so pretty, but why did it not come sealed? Why is it all scratched up? Let me know if this is how yours arrived. But I've got a little extra on my hand here, so let's see how it feels. Ooh, it does have a very nice feel to it. Moisturizing. Ooh, it made my hand look very nice. Doesn't really smell like anything. Wow, that absorbed very quickly. Very interesting. I do use an eye cream morning and night. I love trying out eye creams, so I am excited to put this to the test, even though I feel a little iffy about how it arrived. Okay, next I've got, I can't even read the font of this. Mordida lip stain. Oh, Reina Rebelde. Not familiar with this brand, but it's a lip product, and I love trying out lip products. So let's see what this color looks like. Ooh, that looks like it could suit me nicely. The color is called Primer Beso. First kiss. Oh, yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I love getting to try out new brands. So far, everything I've pulled out from this box is different than my other Boxycharm box this month. Let's continue on. YC Collection Eye Primer. All right. I swear by eye primers. They make such a difference in how my eyeshadow will look and last. And YC Collection is another brand I've heard of, tried out maybe a couple products, but not too familiar with. but this looks nice. I'm loving that it's all makeup products except for that one eye cream so far. Let's see what's next. Next is BFF Best Face Forward Purifying Cleanser. Yeah, this one, not too exciting to me. I prefer to get makeup, and if I'm gonna get a skincare product, I'm definitely not too excited about a cleanser because I don't change up my cleanser very often. And I mean, this is just, it seems like a very basic, classic cleanser. I'm sure it's fine, but to me, it's just not as exciting. Let's see. Next, oh, the Wander Beauty Sweet Escapes palette. So I did already get this palette and I'm excited about it because I love Wander Beauty. I thought the colors in here looked exciting. And lastly, so how many products is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? I got 7 products in my Boxycharm box last time, but 2 of them were with points. I feel like I got an extra product. I mean, yay me. Did I get an extra product or did everyone get that? This is the, ooh, Drunk Elephant. I think this is my first ever Drunk Elephant product. Maybe I've gotten one before, but I haven't used it yet at least. And I hear so many amazing things about the brand Drunk Elephant. And this is the Oh Blues Rosy Drops. What? Fortify and Blush. Is this a blush? Wow, yeah, it says a golden peachy pink wash of color wakes up your face while a nourishing mix of barrier and replenishing omega oils and essential fatty acids keep your skin soothed. Maybe I'll do a full video on this to see how it looks on the skin because this sounds so cool and intriguing and different. Wow. Ooh, the packaging I love. Okay, this is an awesome product to end on. I did not get this in my other Boxycharms. Let me tell you what I got in my other Boxycharm box. But before I do, I'll do a quick recap of everything I got. So, the JLo Eye Cream, the Best Friend Forward Cleanser, the YC Collection Eye Primer, the, what is this brand again? Lip Stain from Reina Rebelde, the Basic Beauty Setting Powder, the Drunk Elephant, what even is this called? Flush Drops, Rosy Drops, and the Wander Beauty Sweet Escapes palette. And now the products that I actually got in my other Boxycharm by Ipsy box this month, the Natasha Denona Alloy Eyeshadow Palette. That was a pretty good one. The Ole Henriksen Banana Bright CC Eye Cream. That's also a good one. The LES Beauty Tinted Brow Gel in light brown. I like that. The Ciate London Smiley Lip Mask. I love a lip mask. And the Neen Pretty Shiny Liquid Highlighter. So all different products, but those were pretty good products too. So wow, the Boxycharm by Ipsy box has a lot of great products that you can get in this month, and like seriously, a lot of different products. I am so blown away that there was no repeat between my 2 boxes. And I don't think that Ipsy or Boxycharm did that on purpose because I don't think they knew that my accounts were connected. So definitely let me know in the comments down below what you got in your box and what you think of it. I'm also confused as to why I got 7 products in this box and only the 5 products in my other Boxycharm box because I thought the boost only was 1 extra product. But anyways, I guess I'm pretty happy about this mistake because I did not end up with duplicates. So that's good. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.